Today on the Green. Welcome to Today on the Green.
We're your hosts, Olive and AJ.
Today was Adam Sandler's day.
I am not Adam. Are you Adam?
I'm Adam.
Show.
This is my Adam shirt, and this is my hat that I forgot I had on. I kind of just like carried it in my hand. I didn't really wear it until right now. But these are my Damien shorts.
Do you go to Damien?
No.
Where do you go?
Damien.
Oh, cool. So we had a lot of choir kids today that wore Adam Sandler fits. So let's cut to some photos of them looking at him.
I'm in the photo. Thank you, chamber singers.
Today was interview day, so we went out on campus and asked a little silly question for everyone. So let's get some answers.
What's your favorite greasy food?
Chick-fil-A's chicken nuggets and Polynesian sauce.
The Raising Cane's Texas Toast.
It's not that greasy, but Panda Express. Somewhat greasy.
Chicken wings. I like meat.
I really like waffle fries. I like them so much I have a keychain. Jack in the Box tacos. Pizza. Korean corn dogs. Well, you have pizza. So.
My favorite greasy food is pizza from St. Baggio's.
Pizza. Right? Yeah, pizza.
Pizza can be greasy.
It's the Cane's fried chicken.
Is it greasy?
It's not that greasy, you guys.
It's really not.
It isn't?
You're a liar.
I'm not a liar.
A liar.
I'd have to say carne asada fries, but I'm also a big fan of grease.
I think we should...
Wait, we want to know yours.
Yeah, wait.
Mr. Cameraman. What is your favorite greasy food?
I like bacon. Bacon's pretty good, especially on a cheeseburger.
Solid answer. I'm a vegetarian. Why did we ask that question?
It's National Greasy Food Day.
But they didn't even answer with foods that are that greasy. You know what is a good greasy food? Grilled cheese.
Speaking of grilled cheese, we will not be here tomorrow, so we actually need some people to fill in as hosts for us. So how about we audition some folks in our class to see if they should be our host tomorrow?
Yeah, let's do it.
Do good.
Go.
Oh, welcome to Today on the Green.
Welcome to Today on the Green.
Welcome to Today on the Green.
Chris, you have to smile.
Welcome to Today on the
Why
Green.
did you stand up?
Welcome to Today on the Green.
Welcome to Today on the Green.
What? Oh my god. Okay, next.
Welcome to Today on the Green. I'm your host, Ethan and Joe.
I was supposed to say it.
They graduated.
Crikey! Welcome to Today on the Green.
Wow, that was awful.
Yeah, we'll find someone. Trinity, can you find someone for that tomorrow?
Yeah, she can do it, can't you?
Yeah, sure. I'll just do your job for you. Okay, thanks, Trinity. And thank you for tuning in to Today on the Green. Come back tomorrow to see what happens today on the Green tomorrow.